Most organizations don't fail because they lack tools. They fail because they lack doctrine under pressure. SecureTrain is a 90 to 120-minute tabletop simulation designed to test real cyber readiness the way real threats hit. Every engagement includes a custom inject packet tailored to your operational environment, critical infrastructure, government, enterprise, or OEM. Your team is tested under simulated threat pressure while receiving real-time doctrinal guidance to contain, isolate, and govern decisions. In real time, performance is scored through SuccessMatrix, giving immediate visibility into gaps and readiness strength. After the simulation, you receive an after-action summary aligned directly to the Articles and Annexes of the Cybersecurity Constitution. So it's not just feedback, it's doctrine. Leaders receive an executive readiness assessment with clear next steps, so the outcome becomes a strategic plan, not a training exercise. And if results show the need, SecureTrain becomes the path to a sovereign doctrine pilot, where your operational environment can be rebuilt under zero doctrine standards. SecureTrain proves readiness before the real breach. If you want sovereign-grade resilience, it starts with doctrine.